Hey guys, I'm Kalpana Jain and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video, but this was a requested video from a very long time. So I finally thought let's take time and make this video. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. So this video is basically about the two schemes of the government, that is regular scheme and composition levy scheme. So these schemes are provided when you're registering under the GST. So what are these? What are the pros and cons? You will come to know through this video and you can conclude which scheme is the best for your business. So let's start. So when you're registering under the GST, so you have two options given to you, that is composition levy scheme and normal levy scheme. Now what is composition, what is normal levy scheme? So normal levy scheme is a regular scheme where you pay the output tax. Output tax means जब आप tax pay कर रहे हैं वो. और जो composition scheme है, that scheme is applicable for you if your aggregate turnover is less than 1.5 crore in the financial year, in the preceding financial year. So if your aggregate turnover is more than 1.5 crore, then sorry, this scheme is not for you. So अगर आपका टर्नओवर 40 लाख से अबो है और 1.5 करोड़ के बीच में है तो आप ये कॉम्पोजिशन लेवी स्कीम चूज़ कर सकते हैं. बट बिफोर यू चूज़, लेट मी and make you understand the pros and cons of choosing this scheme. Okay, and once information here, one extra information. See, this composition scheme aggregate turnover is 75 lakh only for the special category states like Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur. इनके लिए ये 75 lakh है, but for the other states it's 1.5 crore. So let's understand the pros and cons. So the first pro is of the composition scheme is filing of the return. See, if you are under a normal levy scheme, so every month you have to file a return. You have to file GSTR 1, you have to file GSTR 3, you have to file annual return. And you have to maintain all the accounting records. You cannot miss them. And if you are in a composition scheme, you have to file the returns quarterly and one annual return. So basically, if you're filing 5 returns, 4 plus 1, so if you're filing that, that's more than enough in the composition scheme. So this is the one reason why GST Council gave you this option, because अगर आप छोटे व्यापारी हो, स्मॉल ट्रेडर हो, स्मॉल बिजनेसमैन हो, तो आपके लिए बर्डन ना हो, इसीलिए GST काउंसिल ने ये प्रोविजन आपको दिया है. अगर आप कॉम्पोजिशन स्कीम चूज़ करते हैं तो ये बेनिफिट आपको मिलेगा. Okay, let's move on to the next thing, that is input tax credit. Now what is this input tax credit? See, basically जब आप अपना output tax पे कर रहे होते हैं तब आप अपना input tax को minus कर सकते हैं. For example, if I am supposed to pay 10 rupees tax to the government, but previously when I purchased the product I paid 5 rupees of tax, so remaining is only 5, that is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. तो मैं उतना ही टैक्स पे करूँगी. अगर आपको ये समझ नहीं आया तो आप मेरी डिटेल वीडियो देखिए, मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी. सो इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट इज़ अलाउड फॉर द रेगुलर स्कीम एंड कॉम्पोजिशन स्कीम होल्डर्स कैन नॉट get the benefits of input tax credit. Input tax credit benefit उनको नहीं मिलता है. So the next thing is tax collected on sales. See, if you are under the regular scheme, you can make tax invoices. तो आप tax invoices लिखेंगे. But if you are in a composition scheme, then you will write bill of supply. So basically it means कि अगर आप जो composition scheme choose करते हैं तो आप tax invoices नहीं लिख सकते हैं और आपको tax expenses हो जाएगा, and you can also cannot collect tax from the customer. That is one thing. So the next thing is the interest rate. What do you mean by interest rate? इंटरेस्ट रेट बहुत सिंपल होता है. एक एग्जाम्पल की तरह बोल देती हूँ कि अगर आपका बिजनेस कर्नाटका में है और आप अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाकर आप महाराष्ट्र में भी सेल कर रहे हैं, आप तमिलनाडु में भी सेल कर रहे हैं, और अगर आप कहीं और स्टेट्स या कहीं और यूनियन टेरिटरीज में सेल कर रहे हैं तो आप इसे इंटरेस्ट रेट बोल रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं कर्नाटका में सिर्फ कर्नाटका के अंदर ही ट्रांजैक्शंस कर रही हूँ तो उसे इंट्रा स्टेट्स बोलेंगे. तो देयर इज अ स्लाइट डिफरेंस इंटर एंड इंट्रा. So if you are a intra-state dealer, like if you are intra-state businessman, if your transaction is between two states, from let's suppose from Karnataka to Maharashtra, Maharashtra to Tamil Nadu, so if there is transactions like this, then you cannot choose composition scheme. Okay, you have to choose regular scheme. That is one thing, that is a one disadvantage we can say. Now then the tax rate, this is a one pro of composition scheme. It's like the pro, the best advantage we can say. So if you are under a composition scheme, you have to pay like very minimal tax rate, that is very low, like such like 1%, 5. That's very simple and it's easy also. But if you are under regular scheme, then you have to might pay 18%, highest like 28%. That is one difference between normal levy scheme and composition levy scheme. And also, if I have to give a conclusion regarding which scheme is better, see basically कोई भी नहीं बता सकता कि आप सिर्फ आप अपने बिजनेस को जानते हैं, तो आप ही बता सकते हैं कि आपके बिजनेस के लिए कौन सा बेनिफिट होगा. बट इफ यू आर इन अ B2B बिजनेस, तो कॉम्पोजिशन स्कीम आपके लिए थोड़ा डिसएडवांटेजेस हो जाएगा. अगर आप B2C है, तो देन आई थिंक यू कैन गो फॉर द कॉम्पोजिशन स्कीम, बट ऑब्वियसली इट्स अप टू यू. एंड ऑल्सो लाइक इफ यू आर हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम इन मेंटेनिंग डिटेल records, and if you're not willing to take the burden of filing monthly returns every time, so then you can choose the composition scheme. But obviously the one more disadvantages of composition scheme is if you're a casual taxpayer, और अगर आप जो टैक्स कैटेगरी में नहीं आता है, नॉन टैक्सेबल थिंग्स सब सेल कर रहे हैं, तो आप सब कॉम्पोजिशन स्कीम चूज नहीं कर सकते. आई होप आई वॉज क्लियर इन मेकिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन composition and normal levy scheme, and obviously the pros and cons of the both the schemes. So hope this video was useful to you, and if it did, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.